In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude for Sonnet in Perplexity AI. Simple steps. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Perplexity and press Enter. You're looking for the official Perplexity AI website in the results. Click that to open Perplexity in a new tab. This is the easiest way to get to the platform if you don't have it bookmarked yet. Once you're on Perplexity, you'll see a prompt box where you can ask questions or request help. We're going to use a clear, practical example so you can see exactly how to get great output with Claude Sonnet. Click inside the prompt box and type the following request, keeping it simple and structured so the model has everything it needs. Create a very simple Windows Daily Planner app using Python and tkinter. Features: add tasks, list tasks, mark tasks as done, delete tasks. Give me one complete Python file I can run. Keep the code clean and beginner-friendly. You can paste that in as one message. If you prefer spacing, add brief line breaks to make the requirements easy to read. Before sending your prompt, check the model selection. Look for the model name near the top of the chat or close to the input area, then click it to open the model picker. From the list of available models, choose Claude Sonnet 4.5. This choice tells Perplexity to route your request to Claude Sonnet, which is optimized for strong reasoning and clear, reliable coding help. If you ever don't see the model menu, make sure you're in a standard chat window rather than a specialized mode. With the prompt ready and the model set to Claude Sonnet 4.5, click Submit. Perplexity will send your instruction to the model and begin generating a response. For this example, you should receive a complete Python script in a single file, written with tkinter, that lets you add tasks, list tasks, mark them as done, and delete them. The output typically includes code blocks and brief explanations, which makes it easy to copy and run locally. If the result needs adjustments, like renaming buttons, saving tasks to a file, or adding keyboard shortcuts, just follow up in the same chat. Keep your refinements specific and concise so Claude Sonnet can iterate cleanly. And that's it. Search for Perplexity, open the site, enter your prompt, select Claude Sonnet 4.5, and submit. You now know the fastest way to use Claude for Sonnet in Perplexity AI. For high-quality, beginner-friendly code generation,